In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a file upload form in WordPress. I will show you how to create this file upload form so that users can attach some files when they want to contact you through your contact form. And to do this, I'm going to install a plugin. Let's begin. Hello guys, this is Sonic here at Dikupages web, where I do web tutorials just like this one. So if you are new here, consider subscribing. That said, let's jump into the video. So I go over to plugins, then I click on add new. Under search plugins, I search for forminator. So this is the plugin I'm going to install. You can use this particular plugin to create contact forms, payment forms, or even build a custom form. So I go ahead and install it. It is installed. I go ahead and activate. So the plugin is activated and you see it right here. So I hover on it and I click on forms. Going down, I can click on create from here or from here. So I click on it, and under choose a template, I go ahead and click on contact us and I click on continue. In here, I enter the name of my form, so I call it design details. Then I go ahead and click on create. So the form is created. So these are the various fields I have. I have name, email address, and then phone, as well as message. So I want to customize the form a bit. I'll click on message. Now I'm going to change the label to more info. Then I click on apply. So in here you see that there's no field for you to upload your file. So what I'm going to do is insert a new field. So I click on insert fields, and in here I'll go ahead and choose file upload. Then going down, I click on insert fields. Now in here, if you want your visitors to upload only a single file, you go ahead and select this, which is already selected. Or if you want them to upload multiple files, you go ahead and choose multiple. And this is what I'm going to do because I want my visitors to be able to send multiple files. Next, I go over to settings. Then I scroll down under file size limit. I'll change the size from 8 megabytes to 15 megabytes so that I'll make room for bigger file sizes. I go down, click on apply. Now creating the form is completed, but there's another thing I want to show you in such a way that if users of your website submit this form, you'll be able to reply to them through the email address they'll be supplying. However, when you try to reply to this form, the message will try to go to your own email address. So what you need to do is go over to email notifications, then click in here, that is admin email. So in here you see your own email. So I click here, then I go over to advanced, then go down to reply to email, click on the plus icon, then go ahead and click on email address, then click on add. So with this particular feature, you'll be able to reply to your users who will be submitting this form. So everything else is done, then I'll go ahead and click on publish. So in here you can copy this shortcode and embed it in whatever page you want. I'm going to show you how to use Elementor to build this page. So I can go ahead and copy it and I exit from here. So next thing I'm going to do is create a page where I will embed this form. So to do that, I go over to pages, then I click on add new. In here I give my page a title, so I say design details, and I'll click on publish again, and I'll go ahead and edit it with Elementor. So first of all, I'll insert a new section by clicking on the plus icon here, single column. Then I go over to elements, then I'll drag in the header element, and I'll change the text to please fill out this form and also attach any files you want to send to us. I'll go ahead and center it. and I'll go over to style and the typography. I reduce the size, I'll make it 30, and I'll go back to elements and the search widgets. I search for short code and I'll drag it in here, and in here I go ahead and paste the short code of my form, and I click on apply. I click on update, then I'll go ahead and preview the changes. Awesome. So in here I have my form. Perfect. So users can go ahead and fill this form and also upload whatever files they want to send to us. Maybe I can still customize the form a bit, so I'll go back to Elementor, click on the pencil icon, and I click on advanced, and the padding I uncheck the values or unlink the values. Right, I'll enter 150, then left I enter 150. I update. Let's preview the changes. Perfect. And I think this is cool. So now let me test my form out. So I'll just go ahead and enter some names. And I'll go ahead and upload some files. So I'll select this, hold down Ctrl key on the keyboard, and select any other images I want or files I want. And I click on open. They are all added. I go ahead and click on send message. Thank you for contacting us. We'll be in touch with you shortly. Now let me go ahead and check my inbox. So in here I have a new message from Dikupages. So I'll go ahead and open it up, and these are the details the user has submitted, and down here below are all the files he has attached. So in here I can go ahead and reply to the user. So you see that my message will be sent to the email address the user has supplied. So I'll say then I'll go ahead and click on send. So the sender will also receive whatever message I've sent to them. So that's it on how to create a file upload form using WordPress. I hope this video was helpful. If you found value, kindly hit the like button, subscribe, and also enable the notification bell so that each time I post a new video on this channel, you'll be the first to know. Keep watching, and I'll see you in the next one.